Hello. So the Celica is going to be picked up today. Sad days, but it's okay. We'll learn to let go. Plus, the new owners promised me that he's going to be bringing it to meets and hopefully car shows in the future, so I respect him for that. But I've just been using my time for the past couple of days, really cleaning it up, fixing all of the wrap imperfections. Like right now, this thing is like pure show mode, full 100%. We got the Lambo doors installed as well. I think I gotta be careful. I have to show him how to open it and close it and stuff. And yes, this snow was unprecedented, okay? I forgot to put the cover on the RX-8. I'm sorry. I just feel like this wouldn't be a KMR build without a few KMR decals, so let's throw these on. Decal is stuck on the transfer tape. It's gold though. It's gonna be gold on the driver's side. Butter. Nice day out, but since it's still winter here in Canada, I'm gonna keep the winter tire wheel set up on the Celica because the kids are gonna need it, and then I'm just gonna take photos of the wheels separately off the car, and then with the magic of Photoshop we'll just put them on. So we're gonna leave the stocks on with the winter Michelins. Like these X-Ice tires are perfect for winter here. Haven't once gotten stuck with this thing. And then and then our CR Lies, our fake CR Kais. These ones are actually by a company called R-Spec, FYI. But I am gonna place the wheels here and just take the photos with the particular angles, and then, like I said, we'll put them on in Photoshop. Oh hey, hi. Sure.
Hey, did you know what to do with the car?
Oh yeah, you wanna see?
Yeah, did you do the hood block again?
No, it's a little cleaner. I just fixed all of the wrap on it, but this is what we did.
No.
Like
so
I know
you,
the
so
exact
you use the same,
process. Yeah.
So you use the same door, but you gotta use the different hinges, eh?
Exactly. So these are
the hydraulic. Oh, you see, you got hydraulics on them too.
They're like industrial pistons. But the company is called Vertical Doors, and they make it custom to any car. So this is specifically made for the Celica.
Celica.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cool. Well, this one's sold already.
Yes.
Look at you.
Yeah. Well, right now I'm kind of just like purging, right? Basically, I'm just gonna set it up by the wheel, get it as close to the same angle as I can. That way lighting and stuff is easy for me to match. Good. I need to like put something there. Or I guess I can just clone myself. Can you help me hold up the wheel? Okay. Try not to get your shadow in it. Sure. We'll take a couple on this side and a couple on this side, just for good measure. And so we have a few angles we can work with in Photoshop. Be better on this side. LOL. Actually, now that I think about it, these things are exactly what they look like. Toy cars, but life size, you know? That's actually pretty badass. So we have a thing for bright colors, Skittles, white wheels, and of course scissor doors. Can't get away, can't get away. Alright, we go into the location. Right now this car is super clean, so I'm gonna try to keep it dry. Minimal snow and mud, okay? We're still in winter mode here, guys. There. So either park here or There's like this little plaza here that I'm probably just gonna park right in front of. Put my hazards on and hope that no one kicks me out. Right here, right in front of the doors. I'll be quick, Put my hazards on just in case. Right here. This was where I was thinking. I mean, it's not a bad spot for being like 2 minutes down the street. I'll get as much photos as possible before I get kicked out. I mean, people here are generally nice, so they'd rather talk about the car.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what
yeah, I thought this would be a cooler shot, but not feeling it. Or maybe I just don't have the photographer's vision right now. Anyways, gotta go back home and start loading all the stuff up because those people are on their way. If you guys are wondering what the banner looks like from the inside, barely even affects your vision, so we gooch. Gotta stop saying that. Really, real pleasure to work with you guys, man.
You as well, man.
And I was saying earlier on the vlog, like how you've already made like an Instagram account, so I'm gonna link that. So hopefully you guys can give this guy some followers. And this is gonna be his first car too. So
So hyped for this.
yeah, for first car, 2ZZ engine, super reliable. And it's a 6-speed manual, so like you won't get bored of it anytime soon. But these guys also brought us a cake. Look at this. This is payment enough. That's a medium, man.
That was perfect to match the car.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have so much room. But yeah, I fully detailed it. I guess we can go through a small walkthrough.
Sure.
Like that entire list you gave me,
Yes.
I just went through it thoroughly, like one by one. So all of the wrap imperfections, like on the spoiler, we fixed the siding up here, and then we restored the trim as well. The side mirrors.
So good.
But then, yeah, so you want to try opening the door? Yeah, I just want to show you how far exactly it goes. You'll notice.
So about there.
Exactly, right? That's just to prevent it from pushing on this. And then once you go as far as that, it goes straight out. That's pretty much it, man. So yeah, I mean, vertical doors, pistons, they're industrial enough to keep it up, even if like wind pushes it, but it will be a little flimsy.
Yeah, no.
But that in black.
I saw that, like, it's tough.
Like it's professional.
Yeah, all that paper.
A lot of practice, I guess. Like I do a lot of them, so. And then
And that's some extra, wrap,
Just
right?
extra.
yeah, exactly.
Actually,
Other car?
might be easier if we fit it in the.
Oh sure, yeah. Because then this will just keep bringing it lower. So
Yeah.
a concept of his idea for the future of this thing. So sad. Kinda. No, I'm happy for you, bro.
There's no need for key or anything, right? So these.
They're just regular. Yeah. Except when you're putting on the white wheels, they come with tuner lugs. So you have to make sure you use these instead, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't think those big ones won't fit in those tiny holes.
Did you
The
put the
door, yeah.
I think.
It does take some adjusting, and we can always do that on and off and on and off.
No,
but
that's fine. Yeah, we'll do it a couple of weeks, right? If
Yeah.
we run into, then always can come over there and just get it. What kind of
It's
gas do you put
fine-tuning.
on?
Good question.
Minimum 91, but I'm
Yes.
gonna put 94. It's a
Yeah.
very high compression engine. If I put low quality gas, it would burn the valves in the engine.
Oh,
He
so
knows,
it should be
he
94?
knows. Yeah,
Okay.
always premium with a 2ZZ.
I see.
So
Okay.
It's in the center.
Oh,
nice.
finally!
Yeah, so that's something we gotta adjust.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll have these guys come by the shop. So if the snow wasn't there, the front bumper would be effed.
You gotta take everything at an angle. You don't just go straight.
It's okay. Yeah.
This is why we got curb ramps for our driveway.
You're gonna need them, man. Oh, sweet. Wahaj, pleasure, bro.
Bro, you too.
Yeah.
See you around, bro.
Definitely, man. We'll see you at some of the car meets. Tuner Spirit.
Hell yeah, bro.
Okay.
Alright, see you around, bro.
Hell yeah, brother. Thanks for the cake. Oh, man. Super nice people. I will definitely see them at the shows. See ya. Oh, his parking brake was on. Awesome. There goes that, guys. Peace to the Celica. And then there were three Toyotas. Hey, those aren't mine. Drop it. Drop it, fool. Give me please. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're doing. I have nothing. Damn, those guys are so nice. It's just a thank you cake. Pays to be nice to everybody. Mango passion? Oh my god. What did you just say? Half, okay? Gotta be thankful. Those guys knew what we needed. Dude.
You're like, oh, make sure you bring a cake when you come back.
No, I didn't. Yo, this is a flavor we never go for either. Happy birthday, Seliki's gone. Alright. We're gonna edit some of the photos we took earlier, but also I'm gonna show you guys how we reinstall the wheels, but through photo manipulation. So, kind of pay homage to the final phase of the Celica. Who knows, maybe I can meet up with a kid when he has the white wheels on and actually take real better photos. That's it. How to put any wheels you want on any car by using Photoshop. So sad. So big news before I leave. Kind of out of the blue, but the landlord is selling the building that I've rented the garage space out of. So that means I have to move out of that place. I don't know how soon this is going to be, but I'm just letting you guys know. Worst case scenario, just bring as much of the tools and equipment and all the furniture and stuff to this place, whatever I can fit in this garage, so that we can comfortably work on cars at home as well. If I have to either find a smaller place, smaller garage, or just a storage, which I've done in the past, and it's just so much easier on the rent part of it. Like right now, I'm not even utilizing that space as much as I should be while it's in my possession, but it's okay. I've just really been focusing more on my art lately, and I really want to get back into Twitch streaming. I'm actually planning on trying to hit up some of the shows in the US, so who knows, maybe we'll see you guys at a show near you. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching as always, and follow me on the art Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.